You ready to go into your new... Oh, look at you flying away. My goodness. We'll get you first. Come here. Hi. Look at you, pretty girl. Look at you, pretty girl. You ready to go into your new home? You ready to go into your new home? All right, here we go. Here we go. There you go. Ooh, look at this. Look at that.
Oops.
Nice.
You got another one.
Oh, my goodness. Are you well, I know now it was time to get you girls out here. Yes, it's time to get you girls out here. How you doing? Hi, baby. Here we go. Oh, that's interesting. Normally they hop off as fast as they can. Oh. Are you getting used to... Oh, there you go. There you go. Check it out. Check it out. Okay, who's next? Who's next? Hello, girl. Oop, oop, oop. Oop, oop. Oop. All right, all right. Okay, all right, all right. This one's got some gorgeous markings down their side. Hi, baby. Over here. Oh,
oops.
Oh, Mr. Joe got away. Let me see if I can, come on. Oh, this is going to be fun. Oh, looky here, Mr. Joe. Look at what you see. Here's all you girls. Here's all you girls. Why are they bigger than you? Okay, last one out. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's see, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Looky here. Look. Oh, what do you girls think? Isn't this a wonderful place? Isn't this a wonderful place? Oh, I'm glad you let me stroke you. There you go. Hey, Mr. Joe. Y'all are gonna have so much fun. You're gonna have so much fun out here. And I don't have to clean up poopy inside the house all the time. Hi, sweetie. Look over here. Let me give you some feed. Come here. Look. Oh, looky here. Looky here. And here's your water bowl. You girls have fun in your new home. You girls have fun. Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Close the big hatch.
Okay.
Oops, water bottle.